97.2% accuracy at 170 words per minute. One of these tools achieves that by sending every word you speak to cloud servers run by some of the largest artificial intelligence companies in the world. The other achieves something close by running everything locally on your machine, where your voice never leaves the device. Both replace typing with speech. Both work in any text field on your computer. Both remove filler words and add punctuation automatically. But the moment you look past the surface, these are fundamentally different products built on opposing philosophies about where your data should live. One was built by a venture-backed startup with $56 million in funding. The other was built by a solo developer responding to feature requests on a community server. Same problem. Opposite answers. Whisperflow launched on Mac in September 2024, expanded to Windows in March 2025, added mobile support 3 months later. The company was founded in San Francisco by Tanay Kothari and Sahaj Garg, with backing that includes the Pinterest co-founder and a $30 million series round led by Menlo Ventures. $56 million total behind a voice dictation tool tells you something about how large the investors believe this market will become. The product does one thing and prioritizes doing it with as little friction as possible. You hold a key, speak naturally, release the key, and the text appears formatted and cleaned in whatever application you are using. The processing happens on cloud servers using models from the major artificial intelligence providers, which is how the tool achieves its headline accuracy figure. Independent testing measured 97.2% accuracy compared to 85 to 90% from the built-in dictation on Mac. The output speed reaches 170 to 179 words per minute, roughly 4 times the average typing speed. The automatic editing removes filler words, adds punctuation, corrects grammar, and formats the output to match the context of whatever application you are dictating into. An email receives different formatting than a code comment. The personal dictionary learns specialized terms, syncs across all your devices, and handles technical vocabulary and company-specific language over time. A snippet library lets you trigger repeated blocks of text with voice shortcuts for things like email signatures, standard responses, and calendar links. The Whisper mode is the one feature that no competitor has matched. It lets you dictate at a near-silent volume for shared workspaces, open offices, and environments where speaking at normal volume would be disruptive. The tool maintains its accuracy even at reduced volume, which is not a trivial engineering problem. The cross-platform support means your personal dictionary and settings follow you between Mac, Windows, and mobile, so the tool learns your vocabulary once and applies it everywhere. The subscription model charges monthly with an annual discount, and a student tier offers a reduced rate for the first year. The trade-offs sit in 3 areas. The tool consumes roughly 800 megabytes of memory while running, which is significant for older machines. Startup takes 8 to 10 seconds before the tool is ready, which disrupts quick burst usage. And every word you speak is sent to external servers for processing. The company states that voice data is not stored and is deleted after processing, and the enterprise tier holds a formal security compliance certification. But the fundamental architecture means your voice leaves your device every time you use it. For general productivity work, that is an acceptable trade-off for most users. For anyone handling confidential client information, legal notes, medical records, or anything covered by a non-disclosure agreement, the cloud dependency is the one limitation that no amount of accuracy can offset. Superwhisper was built by a solo developer called Neil, operating under a company called SuperUltra, and grew out of frustration with the limitations of the built-in Mac dictation system. The product runs entirely offline. Every model, every processing step, every piece of audio stays on your machine. Nothing is transmitted, nothing is stored externally, nothing requires an internet connection. You can dictate on a plane, on a restricted network, in a secure facility, and the tool functions identically to how it works at your desk. The model selection is where the product diverges from the simplicity of the competition. You choose which artificial intelligence model runs your transcription based on the balance you want between speed and accuracy. The smallest model is fast but less precise. The largest model approaches the accuracy of cloud-based alternatives but introduces noticeable processing delay and demands more from your hardware. Between those extremes sit balanced, options that most users settle on after some experimentation. The accuracy range spans from 85% on the lightest model to above 95% on the largest, which is competitive but not identical to what cloud processing delivers out of the box. The custom mode system lets you create tailored workflows for different tasks. A pure transcription mode captures exactly what you say without modification. A formatted mode applies grammar and structure. Custom modes let you define your own processing prompts for specialized output. The multi-language support covers over 100 languages with automatic detection that allows switching between languages mid-sentence without manually changing any settings. The recording history saves past dictation sessions locally, letting you reprocess earlier recordings with different models or modes if you want to revisit something. Context capture reads selected text, clipboard content, and application context to inform how the tool processes your speech. And the activation system offers keyboard shortcuts, menu bar controls, and a mouse activation option that the community specifically requested. The developer responsiveness is worth noting because it shapes the product trajectory. Neil is active on the community server, responds to feedback directly, accepts feature suggestions openly, and ships frequent updates with visible changelogs. Users consistently cite this as one of the reasons they chose the product over alternatives with larger teams behind them. The pricing model offers either an annual subscription or a one-time lifetime purchase. The lifetime option breaks even against the competing subscription within roughly a year and a half, and over 5 years the cost difference is substantial. For users who know they will be dictating long-term, the one-time payment removes the recurring expense entirely. The trade-offs are the inverse of the competition. Setup takes 1 to 2 hours to configure properly. Choosing the right model for your hardware and workflow requires understanding the speed and accuracy trade-offs for each option. The learning curve is real and the interface reflects the depth of customization available, which can feel overwhelming on first use. Platform support is limited to Mac and mobile with no Windows version, which eliminates it immediately for cross-platform teams. And the accuracy on smaller models falls below what cloud processing delivers consistently, meaning you are choosing between speed on your local hardware and the precision that comes from offloading the work to more capable servers. Wispr Flow is for the professionals who need dictation working immediately across Mac, Windows and mobile with no configuration, who produce high volumes of written communication daily and value speed and accuracy above all else, and who are comfortable with cloud processing in exchange for a tool that requires no learning curve and no maintenance. Superwhisper is for the users who handle sensitive or confidential information, where voice data leaving the device is not an acceptable risk, who work primarily on Mac, who prefer a one-time purchase over an ongoing subscription, and who are willing to invest the setup time in exchange for complete control over how the tool processes their speech and where that data lives. Same problem, same goal. The divide is not about which one works better, it is about where you need your voice to stay. Every choice is a trade-off. At least now you know what you're trading.